Okay, today on the bench we've got this very old Nomura Tetsujin 28, obviously taken apart, because I thought you might want to see the insides. It's 2 D cells, one in each leg, and we may or may not get enough light. I think you can see up in there. It has an unusual cam gear drive mechanism that shifts between the walking and the screeching sound. Unlike the other ones that use a ramp rotating gear, this one does have a rotating ramp, but it moves this lever, and the lever moves this screech box, which up here on the top has a wiper. Maybe we can see in there, has a wiper that'll go over and hit against the gear when it's time for it to make its screeching sound. Of course, the motor's here, and it's nice it has holes provided so we can clean the brushes and get it working. It's got a light which will illuminate the eyes and the head, of course, when it's going. Now I've got the whole feet assembly off because, as with most of these toys, when these come down and they bend into the tabs in the top of these feet, these have already straightened out as well as I can. This whole area gets crushed in when kids grab them and march them along when they haven't got batteries or something. Anyway, they always get all bent in and dinged up. And when that happens, then their robot doesn't stand straight and it tends to fall over and things don't work. But I thought you might want to see this mechanism in here because it's very different from most of our sequential controls. Watch the sprockets in the front on the top of the screen. I'm going to stop it in the mid-screech. You see how that sprocket there to the left of your screen and the top stop turning, that's the leg moving one, and the big gear to the right still rotating as it's making the screeching sound. Now the lower thing that you see is the cam, and that drops that back and forth. Here we go again. And of course that gives you your leg walking action. So, there's a little peek inside the Nomura Tetsujin 28 toy, and probably I'll do a follow-up video when I put the whole thing back together.